Hey, it's Csaba and welcome to the third module. Over the next few lessons, we'll go over how to create and set up winning personalized messages. In this first lesson, we'll look at all the different message formats you can choose from. Let's get right into it. You can deliver personalized messages on your website in many ways. Each message format has its own advantages and disadvantages. At a high level, we can rank the different message formats based on how assertively they capture the visitor's attention. Overlays usually rank higher on this scale than embedded messages, which means that they are a more effective way to get people's attention, and thus they have higher conversion rates. So why shouldn't you use overlays to deliver all your messages? You guessed it, because they are also more intrusive, and overdoing them will result in a frustrating user experience. Finding the right balance between embedded messages and overlays is key. You should choose overlays for your most important messages and use personalized embedded messages for the rest. If you use only embedded messages, you'll leave a lot of money on the table. But using only overlays will quickly become annoying for your visitors. So let's quickly review these message types from least assertive to most assertive. Using embedded content below the fold is the least intrusive, least noticeable type of message, but also the least effective way to convey a message. But the upshot is that this type of message can be used without limit and without being concerned about harming the user experience. Using embedded content above the fold will make it more efficient. But as mentioned in Module 1, you have to be aware of the potential flicker effect, so it's recommended to use these types of messages in moderation. Teasers are the least intrusive type of overlay. Because of their small size, they are also the least noticeable and have the lowest conversion rates of all overlays. That's why they are mostly used to tease the main offer, hence the name. Sticky bars appear at either the top or the bottom of the page without blocking the user's view of most of the site, so they can be used on basically every page without too much worry about hurting the user experience. Side messages are like small pop-ups that appear on the side of a page and also don't block the majority of the main content. They can have almost pop-up level efficiency with more limited intrusiveness, so they are often the preferred overlay solution for more conservative website marketers. Pop-ups are the most popular type of overlays, which is no wonder. Good pop-ups usually have double-digit conversion rates, meaning that they are the single most efficient way to build your list and collect zero-party data. But of course, they also have a bad reputation for being annoying, which can happen if you are not cautious about their numbers. And finally, full screens are basically the most effective version of pop-ups, blocking the whole website. While their efficiency is undeniable, you should probably only display one full screen message per session to preserve an enjoyable user experience. Now that we've covered all the potential message types, let's see how can we get the most out of them.